The Canadian Foundation for Economic Education, CFEE, has partnered with CIBC to give Canadian youth aged 14 to 18 the opportunity to win $10,000. With so much changing with school this year, we wanted to come up with a fun challenge that students, teachers, and parents could get excited about. The My Money, My Future Canadian Financial Education Challenge asks you, Canada's youth, to apply your creativity and skills to develop a new tool or resource that will help teach other youth about money. This new resource can be a website, an app, a video, an animation, a poster, a PowerPoint, a video game, a booklet, a song or piece of music, anything you can think of. You can work on your project alone or in a group of up to 4. This new resource can be in either English or French and can be on any topic about money and finances that you think is important for other young Canadians to know and learn about. Once projects are submitted, teachers will choose the best from their class along with any honorable mentions to move on to a regional challenge. Winners will then compete at a national showcase where they will be contending for a $10,000 top prize or one of the second or third place prizes of $5,000 and $2,500. Canada's youth are capable of amazing things. We can't wait to see what you create for this challenge and very important cause. For more information, visit the My Money, My Future website at www.mymoneymyfuturechallenge.ca.